Hello, and today we're going to take a look at these two Zapp Z110 phones. I took the battery off this one here so we can see the particulars on the back as where the SIM card would go. Now I'm in the UK and I don't think these will work in the UK. I'm not too sure, but I think that these are meant to be used in America, but I might be mistaken. Please let me know if you know any information on these, because I can't find much on these at all. So let's put the battery on here and I will spark them up. I can still get into the settings and all that, but like I said, I can't, I won't be able to make or receive calls of them, so I won't get the signal. Yeah, let's put that one there. And we will have a look at this one. Look at the settings. Right, phone book, computer speed, and so on. You have got a game, I believe, on here. We'll have a look now. If I can find it. Added function, I think that's it. Yeah. The Desert Fox is like a tank game. Oh, bless me. Oh, bless me again. Here you are, there's the game. You move around. I'm not too sure which buttons are for what, but you get the thing of it. Alright, let's have a look at the ringtones. Sounds you are. Profiles. Right, let's do friends first. Right, going to co-workers. friends, co-workers, VIP. Try that one. And then you have hovers. Try that one. Yeah. This is the last lot. I think that's it. That's all of them, I believe. Yep, that's all the ringtones. And obviously you have messages, a phone, a book, and that one is the settings. You have the volume rocker here. You have the earphone jack there, and that little thing. You have an indicator light here. Obviously your antenna. Your power button here with the rest of the keys. There's your microphone, and there's your speaker. There's your microphone speaker. And there you are. That's the red version. I also have the silver version. And there's my little cartoon character. So there, I will turn them off in a minute. Stick around, I'll show you them go off. Just show you the charger. You know that? Here's the charger. I'm in the UK, so obviously I have to use a adapter on the end of here to charge it up. There's your end. Yeah. Here's the focus. Yeah. There's the end of him. Just turn them off now then, one by one. And then they are both together. The red one and the silver one. Right, let's turn it off. Do that one first. And this one. And there you are. That is the Zapp Z110. As usual, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos, because it will help my channel grow. And thank you very much, guys, and bye.